Hello, welcome to this guided meditation on cultivating gratitude. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools for enriching our lives and feeling the true wonder while becoming more present and thankful for what we have. Place yourself in a comfortable position by sitting or lying down. Close your eyes in a relaxed way. Give yourself some time to settle in the present moment by going with your natural flow of breath, noticing and letting everything be as it is. In the following moments, bring your attention to your heart area. For better focus, you can place your hand over your heart area as well. While breathing in through your nose for a count of 6, pay attention to your heart and think of someone or something you're grateful for. Slowly breathing out through your nose or mouth for a count of 6. Repeating the entire cycle for around 6 times in a row. As you're breathing in and breathing out, imagine the whole act of gratitude. For example, how you are expressing the gratitude towards someone and that person is receiving it. Imagine it as vividly as you can. Feel how the gratitude impacts you. Feel the expansion. Feel how the positive energy is expanding through your heart, the entire body, and beyond. You can mentally note to yourself what you're grateful for or express it in your own words. I am grateful for. And breathe in through your heart. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Feeling these words completely. I am grateful for. Again, breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Expanding the gratitude through your heart. And breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Expanding the gratitude through your body. And breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Expanding the gratitude beyond your physical body. And slowly breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe in through your heart. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And breathe out through your heart. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Radiating gratitude farther away. And breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Notice how you feel right now. Keep breathing at your natural rhythm while staying with the feeling of gratitude for a while. Now, think about the things you take for granted. Think about how rarely you have expressed gratitude towards some small or big things, or not at all. While focusing on your heart, express gratitude toward them by holding the image and thought in your mind and feeling the entire process through your body. Take a few moments to bring your attention back to your room and slowly to your body. Gently open your eyes. Give yourself a light stretch. Consider applying this practice of gratitude into your day. When you're ready, you can continue with your activities.